Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to take screenshots on Chrome and Samsung Internet incognito mode. As you can see, this video is already made using the incognito mode. As you can see, this incognito mode. So how do you achieve this for Chrome browsers? You go to your search bar and you type in Chrome. But once you tap on it, you already see suggestions, but you don't want to go for it. This Chrome flags. That's what you are going for. So you start on this, tap on this Chrome flags. So this, as you can see, this is an experimental interface. So you tap on this button, tap on screenshots. No, mine was up because I've enabled it, but just search screenshots and you're going to see this incognito screenshot. So what you are going to do is tap on it and hit enable. Once you tap enable, you might need to relaunch. As you can see, let me disable it. You can see your changes to take effect after the next time when you relaunch Chrome. So you might need to relaunch for the effects to take place. So that is it for Chrome. Now moving on to Samsung Internet. It's not similar, but it works. Let me show you how to do that. So this is Samsung Internet. Once you are here, all you need to do is tap on this icon, go to settings, and then you see personal browsing data. You tap on it, and then you see secret mode settings. This is where you find the option. Then you can allow screenshots. Once you allow it, whenever I go to, let me go to incognito mode. Let me open a tab. Let me turn on in secret mode, and then let's say google.com. And see, let me take a screenshot. You can see it works perfectly. So this is how to take screenshot on incognito mode. If you like me to do videos for other browsers or any browser you like to know how to take screenshots in incognito mode, let me know. Drop it in the comment section and I'll attend to it. See you.